Hi everyone, welcome back to True Marvel. I hope you are all well. So, as many of my returning subscribers, you will know about this house, the problem we had last year, but finally we are here. It's finished and ready for business. In fact, we have started the business already. This is my dad. This was my dad, or my dad, I don't know how to say. I put him here, my proud dad. And his name is on the board. The guest house is called Collins Villa. That's my surname. I put it. There's a lot of story, tons of story about the name. But you can look around what we have here. This is from home to home. It's not the typical not the typical guest house or typical hotel. It is not. It's from home to home. Because as you all know already, it is our home, but because we are not here, we put it out to be rented. So it will be different from what you normally get when you go to guest houses. So this is it. The kitchen that was giving us trouble. Here it is. It's ready, and I've put electric cooker for a reason. Somebody will say it's expensive, but I put that for a reason, which I will tell you about later on. So this is how it looks like now. Here we have our small storeroom here. It's two anyway, so now we keep our things. And this is another balcony out. Another balcony out as well. Let's go to the room. So this is the, let's say, first bedroom here. When you are here, you can see the garden, the pool, the outdoor kitchen over there, and then the bathroom is there. You have 55 inches TV, fridge, and wardrobe. So this is the second bedroom, and it also has shower, wardrobe, fridge, and 55 inches TV, smart TV. They are all smart TVs. But it's a bit bigger than the other one. The shower is bigger than the other one. Almost the same. The wardrobe is also bigger than the other one. Okay, let's go upstairs. So we have another guest toilet here. So when you have a guest, they don't have to use your toilet. Our guest has checked out. I haven't finished doing the bed yet, but this is how it looks. It's almost similar throughout. Similar throughout. This is the room that I like, apart from the master bedroom. I think I like this one more. Who was here? Let me open this. Let's open because of here. the balcony. I like this room more because you stand here and if there's party going on, you can see downstairs and it connects with the other balcony. So anyone that will book this room, wow. You have a from home to home. It's not guest house. It's we call it guest house, but it's not. It's more than a guest house. There's another bathroom here. And all of them has heater. So when the weather is cold, you don't have to worry, you have heater, heating water. It's the same as the other one, but it's a bit bigger than the other ones. The shower is bigger than the other one. Almost the same. The wardrobe is also bigger than the other one.
Get me rowdy.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
Get me rowdy.
So we are in the second sitting room. Very spacious again because it's home from home. You have the comfort of using all this space. So if you have a family, bigger family, no problem. The rooms are all the same. Again, you have a toilet here for visitors. 3 bedrooms here, almost the same. And always this side is bigger. The bedroom here is bigger. And the bathroom, the shower is also bigger. Can be used. And then we have washing room also inside. With washing machine, it's on now, so if I go there, there'll be noise. And then that's the master bedroom. For security reasons, we will not show that things. I hope you understand and forgive me. So let's go to the balcony, or what do you call it? This is the place. Finish my water. Finish my bottle. So here you can see from, if somebody is coming from Accra, you can see them. And if somebody is coming from Afrao, Nigeria, whatever, this is the main road that all the cars and the lorries pass. So you can see the pool if there's party going on once again. From here, if there's people cooking, you can see them or join them. The flower pots will be ready soon. I've ordered the flowers, but they are not in yet. Hopefully I'll get it done before going. So I think that's it. If you are ready to book, let me know. All the true Mamre fans will get a discount. Don't worry about that. True Mamre fans will get a discount. So we are not also far from the most popular aqua safari. It's very close here. You know, the videos we watch about Adan River, the beautiful river tour. It's 25 minutes drive from here. So if you want to get a cheaper place to stay, because that place is very expensive, you can stay here and drive there anytime. You can go there every day. So yeah, we are in between Afrao and Accra. From here to Afrao is 2 hours. To Sogankope is 1 hour 30 minutes or so roughly, depending on the time you leave, or 1 hour 20 minutes. So this is the location in case you are wondering. And if you want to come to Asafotu next year, book book in advance because those people who book for that Sabutu really enjoy themselves. Book in advance. If you want to come to Christmas, I will not be here, so you have the whole house for yourself. You can enjoy it anytime. You are welcome. Thank you very much. Thank God. To God be the glory. It's done. It's open for business. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yay.